Hi, it's Marvin. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm doing 2 Morrison's deliveries from 2 different stores. The first store is Gloucester, where I normally pick up from. That block is 2 hours for £40. The second block is from Cribbs Causeway, which is a bigger Morrison store. They do more Amazon deliveries from there. They start picking earlier in the morning and they finish picking later at night. My block for there starts at 4 o'clock, which is when the store closes. So I'll probably go in just before the shop closes, and then we'll probably have to come out through the staff entrance. Let's see how it goes. So the first difference is that in Gloucester, they have an Amazon Flex area just inside the front door. So you don't have to worry about going through the security gate, going to the back of the store and into the warehouse. So I normally just grab one trolley, go back and forth a couple of times with each trolley load to load up my car. So we're all loaded up. We've got 38 bags, we've got 5 stops, we've got a 2, a 3, a 6 which is age verified, a 15 which is age verified, and then another 6. Let's get delivering. One, 2, 3. Hello, got your Morrisons for you. There we go. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello, got your Morrisons for you. There you go. There you go, all done. Have a nice afternoon. Hello, got your Morrisons for you.
1958.
Cool. You were ready. Right, I got 3 more to get for you. There we go, all done for you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Have a nice afternoon. Hello. Here's the last two for you. There we go.
Thank you very much.
Well done. Have a nice afternoon. Hello there.
Hey, Mark.
Need to ask you your year of birth.
1984, 96.
What's yours?
84.
84, cool. I have to do who I'm delivering it to. Oh, it's nice and sunny. It's quite nice driving around. There we go, that's the last one for you. Cheers. Have a nice afternoon. So that was a 2-hour Morrison's block, paying £40, done in an hour and 25 minutes. Makes about £26 an hour. I did about 26 miles altogether delivering. Most of that was done on electric. Probably the 6 or 7 miles was done on petrol. So I've still got quite a lot of electric left, but I'm going to pop home and charge before I do the second block from Cribbs Causeway this afternoon. The thing that I like about the Gloucester store is the fact that the Amazon Flex area is just inside the front door, so you don't have to fight customers trying to get to the back into the warehouse, and it's nice and easy route straight in and out with the parcels and then get loaded up quickly. I normally just do one trolley at a time anyway, because it's a faff trying to manoeuvre 2 trolleys at once. And when you're classed as a large car, you get up to 40 parcels, so you need to make more than one trip anyway. I did swipe to finish after the 1 hour 24 minutes, and it did tell me to go back to the store, but like we've had recently, after 5 minutes it disappears and it asks you for the end of shift questions, so I don't think you have to worry about swiping to finish with less than 29 minutes left anymore. Right, off to get some lunch, charge up my car, and then we'll do the other block this afternoon. So we're here at Morrison's Cribbs Causeway for our second block. Hello. So many cars and people. So we've got 6 stops. We've got an 11, a 6, a 5, a 3, a 6 and a 5. First one's not too far away, 3 miles. I'll probably do electric to this one and then petrol down to the other ones because they're all clumped together a bit further away. Let's go. As you can see, it's a bit different in Cribs, Morrison's. Very chaotic. People picking everywhere, a few people trying to pick up. You have to walk through the store to get to the back to the warehouse part, so it takes longer to load up. Used to do it all the time. Now I only do it occasionally. Remember, it's a good idea to do a different station sometimes, so you're not always going to the same place, so it's not counted as your regular place of work. Sun's out now as well, which is nice. Let's get to the first stop. It was good. It was pouring down just before I went and got all this, got these, and then it's nice and sunny now. Okay. There we go, all done for you. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello. It's quite nice driving around in the sun. There we go.
It's lovely. It makes a difference, isn't it? Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice evening. Hello there. Oh, here we go. All done for you. Whoops. Yeah, they like to fill them up. Cool. Have a nice afternoon. Which is this? Let's put it in here. I'll put your Morrisons in here. Hello. Oh, do you want me to put them on there for you? One. Yeah, this one's a bit heavier. Squeeze it on there. Okay, lovely. Have a nice evening. Oops. Must have ordered something good because I've got to ask you the year you were born.
67.
Super. we go, all done for you.
Amazing. Thank you very much.
Thank you, have a nice afternoon. Last one. Hello. There you go, all done for you. Cheers. Have a nice afternoon. So that was another 2-hour Morrison's block. Paid £43 for the 2 hours. It's done in an hour and a half, so it's about £27 an hour, which is okay. Quite a bit of extra driving on that one. I've got half an hour drive home. But the main difference between the two stores, Gloucester is small, very organised. You go in, grab your stuff, get out. In Cribbs Causeway, you could see there was pickers everywhere with their trolleys in the middle. They've got so many shelves, it takes a while to find the one you want, and then quite often the parcels aren't actually on the shelves where it says they are. And then also we had the one bag with the different word on it. So I went by the code, the barcode, not the word. The actual deliveries are pretty similar. There wasn't anywhere really awkward to park today, so we got all the deliveries done. And once again, we've done it with half an hour to spare. That's it for today. Hope you enjoy these ride along videos. Give me a thumbs up if you do. And you can also subscribe to see more ride along videos and more Marvin's Flex tips. Catch you next time.